What's up, everybody? We are super excited to see you this week. We have, what will you call it? Reach a milestone?
A major milestone.
A major milestone.
In our eyes.
Yeah, it's unbelievable. I don't know how to describe this feeling, but it is amazing. You know, we have reached over 50k subscribers. You know, and it's all because of you guys. We're just grateful, you know, to see that you're enjoying what we're putting out so much. And
that you're just, in general, being so supportive, you know. It is so encouraging. I've said it before, but I'm going to say it again. We are encouraged by all of this, the subscriptions, the comments, just the mere fact that you guys take time out of your days to just stop by our channel and show us love. It means a lot. And we had said between us that once we start our YouTube channel, when we get to 50k, we would show the behind the scenes footage of our engagement.
So with that said, I guess now is the perfect time. If you are watching the premiere of this video, you know, you can head on over to the chat, because we're there right now. We're talking to you right now. You know, that's how excited we are.
It's lit in the chat, okay?
Right now, yeah.
It's lit.
So make sure you enjoy this video, and we'll see you at the end.
Yo, that's fresh. So Elizabeth, this is your first photo shoot. I would say. How do you feel to be on camera today?
Nervous.
Why? Why are you nervous?
Why?
Yeah.
Because usually I know that I'm taking pictures. The smile just not right, and the posture just not right. Everything just off.
So you're saying that I should catch you candidly,
yes.
Don't pose. Alright, cool.
So today I just plan to laugh at Romeo and my distraction.
Okay. Laugh at Bob. We hear you, macaroni.
We hear you.
I hear that you flew in this makeup artist, is it true? You're flying in from foreign.
Oh God!
Give her a round of applause. She's finally on set.
No,
Cool. Ready?
What are we doing?
You're doing a thing.
No man will or anybody else.
Just spin around so your back is to his chest.
We just
So
there
my back
and
is to his chest.
So you're gonna basically recline.
just remember we leave if we don't get too of it.
So what exactly what we do, Nico?
Oh
Right,
God!
your left arm you can put around his shoulder too.
Nice.
Alright, there we go. Now talk about the weather.
No, we're talking.
How
No,
intimate?
We can't manage that.
Let's start with
No,
this. Spin around so your back is on the chest.
Oh.
And then you're gonna lean over to the side and he's gonna whisper things which are very clean and appropriate. Store. Talk about the store.
Oh man.
Oh.
Oh my. I mean.
Yeah, look for the manga. Ah.
The expression suits you still.
The lipstick is on my teeth.
You got no.
Alright.
Willie didn't know that she do tracks?
You probably from somebody on
She did truck?
You know that she's an athlete?
No.
Okay.
Oh God, nobody dash your visit around like that.
Me see you, man.
Remember, why am I say you're an athlete?
In my gas station? No, God. Please, the gonna tell Will the story.
Tell me now.
No, me tell him later. Not now.
Yeah.
Oh.
How come?
And funny.
It was the most hilarious thing. Road watch way.
Oh, well, he's look too pretty for you today. Oh.
Yeah, him can't get, him can't get, yeah, him can't.
How happy are you?
Yeah, I'm thinking I'm a little nervous to go from happy. So that's why people sleep on them bed at night time, you know.
Oh, maybe that's why. Maybe.
Be careful at the gas station and then stop at. Nice.
You want a kiss?
Yeah, please, just one for the camera.
Well, yeah, that's not funny. Yo, if you do that little pass out.
Come on, wait.
Give the man a kiss, man. Give the man a kiss.
Why will you say no?
Come now, one for
You
the.
say you want a kiss?
We'll ball out, no! Not from you.
No, thank you.
Alright, back, yeah.
Oh my. Say all my lands. Grandfather gave me that.
Yeah, I'm gonna shoot in pieces.
By my uncle's side.
That's a grandaunt by uncle's side. So them love you.
You know, some people do that and I lie them and tell them people just listen and realize that I'm innocent.
Yeah.
Can't manage.
So talk to me. This was all set out to be a surprise. How do you feel? Long awaiting. How long you guys have been together?
We've known each other 6.5 years.
Boy, oh boy, where did you get it from, man?
What happened here again?
The back of your head look face down, boss. Keep doing what you're doing, man. Oh God, no, we're for up and hurry up, keep coming. Hurry up.
Under the rock and then move back towards me. Right?
Quick.
Yeah, you can pass.
Keep going.
Look, my Elizabeth face. Elizabeth like, what the hell?
Holding hands. Holding hands. Come on, mate. Come on, mate. Liz. You have hair, Liz. Please pull it back, Liz.
Remember, okay, I see you.
Walking. Smiling. Nice. Very nice.
Real smile.
Alright, go back 10 paces. Let's do it again. Go back a little bit, please.
Yo, you see how well I go if you walk back? You see what is up there, do?
I torn it together. I torn a mad people. Yeah, best to compliment each
There's
other.
something slightly non-serious about this individual that I'm trying to comprehend. Alright, turn around.
That looks fake. It does.
Again.
I look fake, Nico.
Again. Don't worry, just keep going. Yes,
Will
you
say
do.
that.
Real joke, no?
Ha!
1, 2, 3, go.
So I can constipate.
If you want to make the constipated seal noise, go ahead. Liz, can't see your face. Tuck it behind your ear. Yeah, you should be sorry.
Tell us, say,
Let's go again.
try the scissors.
Oh. One. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, action.
Look into his eyes. Say if you see butterfly or matter.
Last time, one more, please.
This is something that I've prayed for as long as I can remember, because I'm from a Christian background. So I believe strongly in marriage, especially before having kids.
Please watch your hair for me, please.
Babe, you have to help me with this.
I'm selfish with this hair thing.
Yeah, I'm always afraid man going at your earring.
And pull
then-
it.
Now this, Will, you can look to. Look
Yeah,
that.
I saw him.
Yeah, but
This
she was
is-
asking.
Is that would look better than what you were trying to do earlier.
Okay.
Wow. Nice.
What are you doing, though? It looks nice.
Nice, yeah. What
I
about
know what it was. Where you
Mine
kind of
man.
pull out.
And you can have no whatever on this.
That. Yeah, I know. I mean, if you can do it, cool. I think it's fun.
Guide it, no, guide it. I tell you when to put up a foot.
You would do it here?
No.
No.
Oh, I never remember said there was a riveting. Yeah, okay. Yeah.
So for here, we're good?
When he's done, we're good, because I want to get to a certain particular place that has a very certain particular look. That I want to take a certain particular type of picture with. Certain and
Certain
particular.
particular.
Like, you know.
Like it too.
Nico can't manage it.
The camera's not here, just, yeah.
Babes, it's a happy hug here. You know if you cry for that hug, yeah.
Why man upon your body?
I wonder
Oh,
how
why am I
long
get
hug-
that close?
Camera is on your hand on the back.
I want to get it closer. Very naughty.
One day when you go have an outburst.
Kiss and makeup. Because she climb up on him.
Liz, hair out your eyes, please. Your face, sorry. Good, thanks.
Shoes them too heavy.
The boots are too big.
And to put them too short. No.
You're nervous, you know?
No, listen to me. Put your hand in.
Kiss!
Kiss!
Kiss and makeup. Oh.
That's enough, that's gross.
Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Inger, lock your eye.
Let's go. Alright, don't look this way.
Hey, stop, look this way now.
My eye them open. Let the maca eye them locked still.
Alright, go feet now, Maka. Yeah, take it out. Yeah. Alright,
Hair.
here, here. And go for it now, Maka. Open your eye and look on her. Yo.
Alright, hug.
Go further, man. Alright, you're safe.
Yeah, me can't see me blend out. Wash your hand.
Let's use the fog.
Pass on grass.
Me have water.
How is it going?
Hello?
How is it going? You didn't
is it
introduce
going?
yourself. You didn't.
You
Yeah.
didn't introduce
How,
yourself.
how is your first photo shoot guy?
How is your first photo shoot going?
Yeah, rock teams though. Alright, what it? Yeah, alright, cool. Alright, cool. All this up on the camera still. Alright, cool. Macaroni, Mrs. Macaroni. Yeah. But to look like Porky Pig.
No.
Alright, you want to come back? Quick. Alright, your first photo shoot together. How's it going?
Whoa, it's been.
It's easier than I thought it would be.
Yeah, normally like when I take a picture with her with my phone, like her face look like just smile. I mean, I say, how kind of fake smile that?
Like this.
Today she does look. I mean, I say, so much
Like
cameras
this,
around
like
here.
this. I'm sure say it's like, but it's like.
Tell him the secret.
Exactly.
Huh?
Tell him the secret. How you get to be getting over this? By laughing at him?
No, I was just thinking I need the 3 photos to go over my bedhead.
I know that.
Oh, what? Oh, babes.
She take me for fool. She take me for idiot. She have me as a clown. Somebody who just she doesn't need to say anything.
Like what, babes?
Drop off one of my story, them and dead would laugh, and that's how she get over it.
Yeah, the guy's doing good so far. Not
Think
bad.
so?
Yeah, man.
Who
But
has said that?
let's go before we'll have a heart attack.
Yes. But we'll kill me when you say that.
Yes, so talk to me now.
So right now we're at the river. This is where I'm going to propose to her. And you know, me just hope, you know, me not say it. Yeah, but me just hope everything will good. And I'm still nervous, man.
You think she's gonna be surprised?
She's gonna be surprised.
Tell me what's your name?
Talia Treasure.
Hmm?
Talia Treasure.
Talia Treasure?
Yep.
Or what kind of makeup you do you specialize in?
Well, mostly bridal. Bridal for shoes and
So you always do silent and quiet?
yeah, that's just so I am.
Okay, cool.
And I talk when I want to.
The truth on camera.
But the photo shoot are going so far.
Great, you know, like, you know, the journey long, and you know, she kinda say, she know, we never know so smooth, never go through for one photo shoot. So you know, so you have no idea the whole vibe.
So welcome to Portland.
I mean, I think you know, so Poland really know, you know, so it's a beautiful thing, yeah, man. I'm just nervous and at the same time, sharp.
Just in case you drop down, we have smelling salt.
Treasure!
You put on a different jeans?
Yeah, I'm gonna put on white jeans, man. Yo, this body?
My father isn't alive, but my mother always wanted that for me because she's always saying that I'm a lady. But my mother loves Romain like her son, so she's not one to put any pressure at all. She's the one that would always tell me, Liz, be patient because you have a good man, and if it's God's will, it will happen when it should happen. So on that basis, I knew that it's nothing to rush or to pressure him for, because if it's mine, it would come, and it came.
Almost like you guys are following us today. It's almost like you guys are following us today. Kind of weird, huh?
Everywhere I go, I see you guys.
You think mommy knew about this?
No, I don't think so. If she did though, she would keep Romain secret. My mother-in-law now would probably pinch me and tell me, I think, I hope.
Make way the answer, now make way the answer. Liz. Liz, you decide your face, so Liz.
Let's see your face.
Liz.
Pretty face.
Liz, let me see it, let me see it, let me see it, show me it, show the video it, show the video it. Make us see what I go on now. Kiss him for that. And just quick flashback in the moment here in the river and you see him start to stutter. How do you feel at that moment?
It was several different emotions because I had a lot of memories going through my mind of sad times, good times, a lot because it's 6 years. So to see that we were at that point, it was like I didn't know how to react, to be honest.
Well, you can't believe. Well, you can't believe. What's happening?
No, because me didn't. Alright, here's the thing. Me and Romain always have prank each other, you know. Me and Romain always have prank each other, so when they say if we do a thing, so Romain start talk and then me hear my tremble, so I say, wait. Oh, him sound like him serious.
Were you scared that she wouldn't say yes?
Exactly, were you?
Well, you know, I don't know what to think. If she would have surprised someone that she would have probably don't know what to send, you know. Like even in the moment me I said, I want this. Cause she turned her face about 4 or 5 times on the bar. I mean, so I wonder if she really would say yes. Somebody did that. Oh wait, like, but you know, I always have a feeling like, you know, she would have never said no. You know,
That's what we don't take it serious, because you think I'm pranking when I try pranking.
No idea that this was coming.
Like, well, not today. You never see it coming at all. Even with when we are coming, I say, why we are going so far? And why, when I say, why we not stop here? So, because we don't have to worry right now. And I say, babes, just work with it. I can't believe this. Thank you.
So the journey was worth it.
More than worth it to reach to this point. And even if we didn't reach this point yet, it has been worth it. This is really a dream come true. And I can't think of anybody else that I would want to spend the rest of my life with, other than Romain.
Congratulations. Yeah, no, remember I rang on.
So you're not going to shake hand with the right hand?
Yes, I rang on your wall up, like you hold up your left hand. Yeah. You have to flash your finger to like Tanta Blocks, yeah. Yeah. Tweet, rich.
It's my no rule journey, you know. Come on, so we know we must.
Vulnerable state.
Yeah,
That's
tell
the
him.
word.
Yeah,
I
man.
don't think it's voluntary.
Let's go for
Vulnerable.
the other one. The back one.
You can stand up now,
I
but
can
hurt
put
me.
that. No,
Bend down.
that's a theme problem what you want to do.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching that video. I know you enjoyed it, you know. But I really, hush. I know you guys enjoyed that video, you know. We're just grateful, and this is like a celebration for this huge milestone that we have reached. And we just hope that the videos that we post will continue to inspire you and to uplift you in whichever way, you know, whether it make you laugh or smile or cry. You know, we're just grateful to be here and to be building this new family.
Your hand get heavy.
So remember, tell a friend to like, subscribe and share this video, and we will see you next week.
Yes, same time, same place.